Mm-hmm. Tons of fun catching these fish, for sure. Oh, there's a fish. Ah, oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that is a good one. Yeah. Oh, that's a good one. That is a beautiful fish. Put him in the buggy. Put him in the buggy. Keep him cold. Keep him fresh. Wow. Oh. Okay. You're a little standing up now. Body gets a little stiff sitting all that time. Trying to catch fish. Oh man. Whew. Getting a little warm underneath this life jacket. But I'd rather have it on and not need it than not have it on and need it. So. Oh. Oh. Oh, there we go, there we go, there's no. Oh, he gone. He gone. Oh. Yeah, missed him. Oh, got him. You want a couple of these crappie?
Sure.
All right.
Keep anyone you don't want. I don't care on the side. I keep them all.
All right.
I'm all about the membership. I got a household of 6 to feed. We all love it.
Gotcha. Oh. Yeah. I'll get a.
We all didn't love it so much, but every one of us love eating them.
Uh-huh.
You know, so.
I'll get a couple more of them in my basket here, and I'll bring them over to you. Yeah, no problem. I got more than enough already. Oh, yeah. Just trying to catch a few crappies. Oh, man. That last one, I watched him eat it. I said that before I ever felt him. That's kind of the way it goes sometimes, though. I missed him. Whew. One thing I love about my kayak is I can stand up in it, for sure. Oh, Misty. That wind's kind of trying to blow me off my spot there. Oh, Misty. Should have had him probably. All right, back. Oh, there we go. Oh. There we go. Hello. Hello. Boy, that wind's just blowing the crazy out of me there now.
Yeah, it is. Hard to control those things with the wind.
There we go.
I mean, it's hard to control it right, good, and flawlessly fish, you know what I mean?
Uh-huh.
Sometimes. I have one too, not nearly as big as yours.
Uh-huh. There you go. Bring a couple of them over there to you.
Cool. Thank you, buddy.
Yeah, I'll get a couple more for you, though.
Alright, cool. Appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem. Thing is, you're fishing the money spot, you know. The willows is money.
Yeah. Yeah. I need to be like fishing the outer, about that side, not the ends.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I'm going through my bucket and you can dump them in. Oh. Yeah, you got a nice setup here. Yeah, you do. Cool. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. I'll go out and get a couple more for you.
Keep it coming, brother. Keep it coming. I am acceptable to all crappie. Silver dollar size and up. Which is
Yeah.
anything that's bigger than an egg.
It ain't bigger than an egg, huh?
Anything bigger than an egg. Believe it or not, I can pull play off them little fuckers.
Oh yeah, you can definitely pull some fillets off of some of those small crappies. That's for sure. Yeah, it might be.
Line.
It might be.
Yeah,
For sure.
these are poles I got this shit taken off.
Yeah.
But you know the crazy thing is it is new line.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. But there's also living proof that cheap things don't come good, cheap things don't come cheap.
Yeah. Sometimes.
Yeah, I got sold on this new line. I figured I'd give it a fucking try.
Uh huh.
Now I know why people are like practically giving it away.
Yep. Yep. Yep.
That sucks.
Go back up here and get the guy. Uh huh. Go up here and get the guy a couple more crappies. I don't mind helping folks out. They like them.